Alright, let's consider this question. We are asked to add 445 and 324 in base 6, and then you subtract 456 from 751 in base 9. So this is in base 6 and this is in base 9. You can as well spell it as 9 or write it as figure, so it's the same thing. So remember, when you are adding or subtracting number in different bases other than 10, you are not going to add it just like you add other numbers. So other than all the numbers we use every day are in base 10. That is why we add it like this. If you write 5 plus 4, you have 9. That is in base 10. But in base 6, you don't write 9. Right? So we are going to use this approach. But we are supposed to convert the numbers to base 10. We add them, then convert them back to base 6. But that is a very long protocol. So we are going to use this approach now. If I'm adding 5 to 4, I'll get 9. But since 9 is greater than the base, so I cannot write 9. So I will say 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is what? 9 minus 6 is 3. So I'll write 3 here. The same thing I'll say, then I'll carry 1. When I write 3, I'll carry 1. So I'll say 4 plus 2 is 6, plus the 1 I carry, that is what? That is 7. Then 7 minus, since 7 is greater than 6, I will not write 7. I'll say 7 minus 6 is 1. So I'll write 1. So I'll carry 1 again. So if I carry 1, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus the 1 I carry is 8. So I'll say 8 minus 6, that is 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. So I'll carry 1 again. So when I carry the 1, I don't have any other number to add, so I'll write the 1 down here. So you can see that the addition of 445 to 324 in base 6, the answer is 1213 base 6. So now this is subtraction. We are subtracting 456 from 751 in base 9. So we are going to follow this order. Instead of converting them to base 10 first, which is going to take a longer time, so we use this method. 1 minus 6 cannot, so you are going to borrow from here. When you borrow from here, you are going to have this number will reduce to 4. And what you are borrowing, you are not adding 1 because it's in base 9. You are adding 9. So when I add 9 here, I will get 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 4 minus 5 cannot. I'll borrow from here. If I'm borrowing from here, this number will become 6. And I'm going to add as 9. I'm not adding 1, although I borrowed 1. So I'm adding the base, which is 9. If I add 9 to 4, I'll get 13. 13 minus 5 is what? Is 8. So this is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 284 in base 9. So that is how you add and subtract number in other bases. This is how you add and subtract any number. Even though the numbers, you don't need to convert them to base 10 because that is a long procedure. This is a method. You can confirm it with your calculator and drop your own answer in the comment section if I am wrong. Thank you.